Part of the motivation for automation is to increase their production. They're trying to basically do like a 2x year over year. The only way that they can really do this is by throwing in automation. It's not like it's an option. It has to be automated. They cannot fill the labor to add an extra shift to their process. They have to keep it running. Being able to add a shift of production without having new operators have to come in or having to hire a ton of temp staffing, automation's perfect.
Some of our customers also enjoy the flexibility they get with robotic automation.
Yes.
So if they have a short-term need to run a second shift, they don't have that burden of finding employees to be there. They can just simply use the robot during those periods.